How to download Hitman Absolution on PC. Now, I will show you two methods to download the game. Now, first things first is via your Steam account. So go ahead to steam.com and then log in to your account. Now, once you're completely logged in, you just have to search for Hitman Absolution right here. Now, just letting you know that this will not be free. It's gonna cost you for a specific amount of cash. Now, for you to be able to add this on your cart, you just need to enter your birth date because this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages or may not be appropriate for viewing at work. So once you enter your birth date here, just simply go ahead and add to cart and pay for it. Now, next thing or the next method that you can download for free is via your uTorrent software. Go to torgames.com and then search for Hitman Absolution. Click on the first link. You scroll down. Now, if you don't have uTorrent software yet, this is where you can download it for free. Once you already install it, you can choose either of these three for the torrent file of Hitman Absolution. Now, that's how you download Hitman Absolution on your PC.